Hi travellers, I'm Anne's daughter Lily and welcome back to my channel. Yay being home! From time to time there are some events put on by the City Council.
This is Botanic Delights. I have no idea what we're delighted at, but we are in the Botanic Gardens.
Nice, that looks like a gold.
Gold coin donation. Okay, has to be $2.50 on parking. Is it worth coming? Well, you've got to time it well, because jeepers, these queues are hectic. Oh my word. It was nice, there weren't as many lights as there could have been, but something to do. But yeah, be prepared for the queues. Oh, too many people in Christchurch that want to do cheap stuff. God, look at them all behind me.